everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So let's get started this video. So friend, in today's video I will talk about a most common problem that I am able to understand English but not able to speak English. So I will talk about this topic. What are the reason that they can understand English but not to speak English. So everything I will discuss in this video, so be with me till end. Friend, why some people they are able to understand English, they can understand English because they have understanding in English. How they keep watch in English, they listen something in English, they watch movie, they watch web series, they have a knowledge of grammar, they know lots of vocabulary, they know how to write in English in such manner, such listening, reading, writing, they are perfect because they keep doing, and they are connect with those activities. That is why they are able to understand. But coming to the speaking, why they are not able to speak? Because they have never ever tried for speaking, and that is why they cannot speak in English. So I will talk about it, and I will discuss some reason behind it. Not only one region, there are some regions, and because of that some people they they cannot speak English. They have fear, they have they don't have confidence. So everything I will tell you, they have never ever tried for speaking English. And as we know that for speaking we need to speak, बोलने के लिए बोलना पड़ता है, तभी हम बोल सकते हैं. So if you want to speak English, then you have to start speaking, then you can speak English. Okay. And second reason, lack of confidence. Yes, some people they don't have confidence to speak English. Yes, it's obvious something is new for anybody, so we don't feel confident because we are new in that things, we have a zero knowledge. So how we can feel confident? We can't. But you can accumulate confidence. How you can accumulate confidence? By watching others people, how they are speaking English. They tell their story. They are from Hindi medium background, they didn't know English how to speak, but they tried, and now they are able to speak. So by listening them, by watching them, you can accumulate the confidence. Yeah, you can remind your goal, why you want to speak English. If you speak English, then which kinds of benefit you are going to achieve, you are going to acquire. If you think like that, if you focus on those things, in this way you can accumulate the confidence for start speaking practice. And third, fear of making mistake. Yes, fear of making mistake, lots of people have a fear of making mistake, and they don't want to make mistake. They want to speak English fluently without making mistake and fumble and hesitation. So tell me, the thing you are going to do first time, how you cannot make mistake? You can make mistake, it's obvious. You can, because you have theoretical knowledge, you haven't tried for practical. And once you will go for practical, you will make mistake in any field, not for any speaking English but for anything. See us, we are speaking English, I speak English every day, I make mistake, but you can find my mistake each and every video. So anyone can make mistake. Who speak fluent, they also make mistake. They can make mistake. So why you cannot? You can also make mistake, and nobody make mistake deliberately. It happens just automatic. I know, I know grammar rules, everything I know. Even though I make mistake, but I don't make mistake deliberately. When I start speaking in flow, I make mistake. and I catch my mistake. But what? I stopped myself? No, I didn't. I didn't stop myself. I make a video every day. I make video because I know making mistake is the part of learning. If we make mistake, then we can learn something, then we can get opportunity to learn something and do something. Without making mistake, we cannot do anything. If you don't want to make mistake, then no need to learn something, and no need to do something. But if you want to do something, but then ready for making mistake, because you will make mistake. This is the surety. So overcome your making mistake. I also make mistake every day. I make mistake, but I don't make mistake deliberately. It's happen, um, in flow when I start speaking and I make mistake. Everyone make mistake, so no need to take it seriously. If you want to do something, if you want to learn something, focus on that, not on making mistake. And in this way, you can overcome your making mistake. Okay, and then you can start for speaking practice. Fourth, fear of judgment. Yes, lots of people have this fear. If I speak English and make mistake, people will laugh at me. Yeah, people will make fun on me. So tell me, more than your dream, more than your target, you care about other people's opinion. Others people opinion matter for you and important for you. No, don't give their opinion and uh, opinion more important than your dream and than your goal. Let them laugh. Okay, let them laugh and let them make fun on you, because they will be remain which who they are. But if you take step, and if you take a step and risk, then you will be something in future. So don't think about that. And yes, you can uh, you can save yourself by fear of from fear of judgment. From judgment you can save yourself of judgment. How you can save? If your friend, your family and neighbor, uh, they are such kinds of people that if you tell them you are going to learn English language, and they laugh at you, they make fun on you, then no need to share with them your dream, your future plan, your goal. No need to share with them. If you want to speak English, so don't share with them if they cannot support you, if they are not supportive. What you have to do, you have to go and download a speaking practice app, and there you can start practicing. There you will get stranger people, and you won't have fear of judgment, because those people would be a stranger for you, and they won't laugh at you, because their destination is also the same, speaking English, become fluent in English. So you and that person both would be in the same boat, and both would have the same goal. So nobody will laugh at you, and you can also not laugh at anyone. So start speaking practice there, speaking practice app, and there you can make your friend for speaking practice. If you get any good partner who is keen, who is so curious for learning this language, so make them friend, exchange your contact with them, and start practice with them. So they are not going to laugh at you, and they are not going to judge you. Okay, and who will who is sorry, who judge you and laugh at you, no need to share with them that what are you doing and what are you about to do. If they ask, don't share with them. So in this way you can save yourself from from judgment. And fifth, Some people have a dream when they will become perfect, then they will start speaking practice. They are waiting for perfectness. Yes, they are waiting for perfectness. When they will become perfect in this language, then they will start speaking. So my dear friend, tell me, um, I'm Hindi. Oh my God. So tell me, if you want to be perfect in driving, okay, on the road, and you are learning ड्राइविंग इन द फील्ड, आप जो है फील्ड में गाड़ी चलाना सीख रहे हैं, बट आपका ड्रीम है कि आप रोड पे परफेक्टली गाड़ी चलाएं, और बट आप प्रैक्टिस फील्ड में कर रहे हैं, तो बताइए मुझे कि किस एंगल से आपको लगता है कि आप जो है प्रैक्टिस फील्ड में कर रहे हैं और रोड पे जो है आप परफेक्टली गाड़ी चलाएंगे फ्यूचर में। कभी ऐसा हो सकता है? नो, 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 नो। इफ यू वांट टू बी परफेक्ट इन ड्राइविंग ऑन द रोड, then you have to practice there, then you can become perfect there. So similarly, if you want to speak English fluently, then you have to do a speaking practice with several type of people, then you can become perfect in speaking. If you are doing practice with yourself and you think that, oh, I will be perfect, and then I will start speaking in front of the people and I will speak perfectly, so nothing is going to happen. अगर आप perfect होना चाहते हैं speaking में, तो आपको जो है स्पॉट पे जो है प्रैक्टिस करना है, लोगों के साथ प्रैक्टिस करना है। आप गलती करेंगे, मिस्टेक करेंगे, वो आप पे हंसेंगे, ऐसे कर कर के ही परफेक्शनेस आएगी। परफेक्शनेस आपके पास खुद चल के नहीं आएगी कि आओ मुझे ले लो, नहीं, वो प्रैक्टिस करने से आता है, वो ऑटोमेटिक नहीं आता है। तो अगर आप पब्लिक में जो है आप कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलना चाहते हैं, तो आपको अभी से प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा। कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलने का इन पब्लिक में करना पड़ेगा। आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो और ड्रीम देख रहे हो कि आप पब्लिक में जो है कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलोगे, तो ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है। सो दिस ऑल आर रीजन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन्स पीपल दे say that I cannot speak English. So if you have any reason, and because of that reason you think that you cannot speak English, but you can understand, so overcome those the fear, that problem, and stop feeding your negative thought. अपने नेगेटिव थॉट को जो है ज़्यादा प्रायोरिटी मत दीजिए, पॉजिटिव थॉट को दीजिए। ऐसा बोलिए कि मैं इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहता हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, सो आई हैव टू स्पीक। इफ़ आई स्पीक देन आई कैन स्पीक। थिंक स्पीक टू योर सेल्फ। सेकेंड, कॉन्फिडेंट कॉन्फिडेंट you have to get confidence while reminding your dream, which benefit you will get if you learn this language, and how other people they are speaking confidently. Seeing them you can accumulate the confidence. You mistake, everyone is doing mistake, even though they are speaking English, even though they are making video, and there are lots of, I am not only one in this world who will make mistake. Think like that and overcome your this fear and start speaking. Next one, fear of judgment. So I told you how you can save yourself from fear of judgment, okay, and how you can make your friend and your partner for speaking practice. And fifth, don't wait for perfectness. Perfectness comes with the practice. जो perfectness होता है वो प्रैक्टिस के साथ ही आता है, वो खुद चल के नहीं आता। आप प्रैक्टिस जितना करोगे उतना आप परफेक्ट होगे। तो इस तरह से जो है आपको सोचना है, और निगेटिव थॉट को पॉजिटिव में जो है चेंज करना है, और इस तरह से सोचना है, सॉरी आई एम मेकिंग मिस्टेक वाइल स्पीकिंग, बट इट्स ओके, आई विल ऑल्सो ओवरकम इट वाइल स्पीकिंग, and start speaking now, okay. one good things you can understand English. Only you need to speak. In case of us, in case of me, I was not able to understand English, but see, still, today I am speaking English, today I am making video. But you can understand English, only you need to speak. Only you need to speak. So you are the better position. Start speaking, now, today. Don't wait, because time is running, and once time will goes, it will never return for you. You will regret for it. Forget about other people. Think about yourself, your dream, and your goal. Okay? So I hope this video is going to help you, and you will, your doubt will be clear, and this video will motivate you to start speaking practice now from today, and you will start your speaking practice, and very soon you will also speak in English. So for today, that's it, and bye bye. We'll meet in next video.